Being a single mom isn't easy. There are so many responsibilities to fulfill. You need to work harder to support yourself and your kid. You need to give time in the office as well as at home. Life can be financially difficult being a single mom. However, you must save money for the future of your child and yourself. Here are some money-saving tips for single moms. In this video, I'm going to show you 11 ways to save money as a single mother. For the best tips and tricks to save money, subscribe to this channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Also, click the first link in the description for a free training to start a side hustle fast. Number 1. Create a budget. You must create a 50-30-20 budget. In this formula, you should allocate 50% of your monthly income to your needs, which includes your rent or mortgage, utility bills, grocery shopping, and more. 30% of the budget must be allocated for luxurious expenses like going to a movie, shopping, or dining out. The rest, 20%, must be your savings, which can be in the form of an emergency fund or planning for retirement. If you can maintain this rule, you will be able to save money easily, and you will be in control of your finances. Number 2. Don't use credit cards. You should stop using credit cards. A single mom has many needs and demands. If you have a credit card, then you will be tempted to use them and pay later. However, you won't be able to pay the credit card bill on time most of the time, so your interest will build up. Later, you may get into the defaulters list and find it quite impossible to clear up the payments. So, you must use only cash. Number 3. Lower the daycare costs. Daycare costs can be expensive. So, you need to juggle between going to work or staying home. If your daycare cost is equivalent to your income, then you must stay home and look for online jobs like freelancing or write a blog. There are lots of online job opportunities out there. So, you can look after your kid that way without paying high daycare costs and also earn money to run your family. Number 4. Take advantage of tax breaks. The government offers single mom tax breaks, and you must take advantage of those. This way, you can lower the amount of tax you pay. You need to make applications for getting a lower tax. You can also get a child tax credit. There is also a child independent care credit. So, check what the government is offering and go for it. These are extra money coming in which you can save easily. Number 5. Prepare foods at home. Try to make food at home instead of buying expensive food. Even you can make baby foods at home. This food will be healthier for the baby as there are no preservatives. In case you are planning to go out to eat for lunch instead of dinner. This is because many restaurants offer cheaper rates during lunchtime, so you can eat without spending too much money. Number 6. Say no to your child. Your child may demand many things from you as he or she grows up. You must learn how to say no. That way, your child will become financially aware. You shouldn't scold your child for it, but explain why you can't buy it. You can tell your child how saving money can be rewarding for the future. Number 7. Buy in bulk. When you go grocery shopping, try to buy in bulk, which is cheaper. If you buy the essential items in bulk, they won't be wasted. You can use them up later on as well. So, you should prepare a list of the things you want to buy. Then, see whether you can save money by buying in bulk. Number 8. Automatic payment for the fixed expenses. No matter what your income is, you must pay the bills. So, it is better to make automatic payments. That way, you will know how much money you have left to spend for the month. If you don't pay these expenses up front, you may get into default. The fixed expenses include house rent, utility bills, child education, etc. Number 9. Check your pantry every month. Before you go grocery shopping every month, check your pantry. That way, you won't waste money on food. If there are foods that have close expiration dates, then you should eat them soon. Number 10. Buy second-hand products. If you want to buy furniture or other items, consider buying second-hand items. Those will be cheaper than the brand new ones. The conditions of these products are usually good, and with luck, you can get them in a new condition. Number 11. Have a life insurance. Life insurance can be very helpful for your child's future. The monthly payment isn't much, but you will save a lot of money in the next 10 or 20 years. You won't have to worry about your child's future if you have life insurance. It is very difficult for a single mom to bear all the living expenses and save money as well. But with these smart moves, you can easily save money for your child's future. Now that you know 11 ways to save money as a single mother, click the first link in the description for a free training to start a side hustle. Also, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a new video.